Kakagising ko lang sa pagkatiket. Di naman ako inchik pero matinig. Kakagising ko lang. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Char. Better. Okay. Thank you. Better now. Pasok niya. It's okay now. Okay, it's okay now. Kakagising ko lang sa pagkatiket. Di naman ako inchik pero matinig. Kakagising ko lang. Ano ang samad? Magmagabang samad. It's okay. It's alright. I'm gonna live forever. Thumbs up heart. Thank you, Anthony. Ako sili patay. Mari sa saan mo ba sa? Saldo my vlog. Hi, Saldo my vlog. Saldo my. Where is that? Hello. Kakagising ko lang mula sa pagkapigit. Gab, baka lima na ako. Ano, Gab? Kapikod lang, kasin pa.
Ikot lang ako kasi di ba kayo? Baka naka-spray. Ay, marami ko sa leg mo.
Thank you. Hi everyone. Hi Saldama Vlogs. See you. You see her doing something. Thumbs up done. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, was. Hi Saldama Vlog. Thank you so much. Jerry, what you date to you multiple girls? Hello, my love. Hi, Jerry. Thumbs up, cause thank you, Anthony. Anthony official too. How are you, Thomas? From Thomas Rhymes. I'm fine. I'm good. How about you? Thank you, May. Baka lima na ako minsan ano. So, mulay lang.
Tinatay lang.
Ikaw gusto mo tinapay lang. From USA, wow. Well, ano, nice to meet you, Thomas. Sa tagpira yun sa'yo.
Kahapon?
Mulay lang, tagpiran sa'yo. Gusto mo sagta?
Ang pagpalamanan?
Oo.
Ang extra
Oo.
apple.
Opo.
Pares
Ikaw,
kahapon.
ikaw, gusto mo? Malang saro lang. Nice to meet you, Thomas Rhymes. Nice to meet you too. Seeing thumbs up is like thank you. Yes, the thumbs up is this. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. In Philippines we call it thumbs up. Okay, thank you. Yo. Thank you for the 7 million watching. Thank you for the thumbs up. 6 thumbs up. Thank you guys. What is your work, Cheryl? I work here in Venice, as Ben is here in our barangay. How about you? What is your work, Sir Thomas? Sir Thomas. Yay. Paano ba yan?
Opo.
I own my own business, build houses. build houses, a construction company. Do you have a construction company? I own my own. I'll build houses. Construction, okay. Construction company. Jander Ferreira. Hi, Sir Jander. How are you? Yes, coffee. Big Cara coffee. Coffee. Relaxing coffee. Join Quiz in USA. Hi, Sir Joe. Join Quiz in USA. Hi po. Yan ang gusto mo. Hi, thank you so much. Join Quiz in USA for joining. You have pretty smile. Thank you, Sir Thomas. Thank you, sir. How are you? I'm fine. Join Quiz USA. Fine. How about you? Olin Junior. Good morning. Good morning to you too. Swan Hill Family USA. Hello. Sandal Ferreira. Gutmar Cavier. I'm good from Joe. Yusuf Kaplan. Wala yes, Linda Kame. Camera yes. $100 is money. Send me yes, Linda. Thumbs up dan maganda, Sheryl. Hi, Greg. Thank you, Greg. Sneaking you a kiss before Team sees Lord. Ray Miller. Ray Miller. May muha. Already dead. Ray Lul. Kumusta ka? Kumusta? Ingat ka. Magandang umaga, Sheryl. I'm fine, Greg. How about you? How are you? Thank you, Greg. You too. You take care also. God bless. Hi, Rodrigo. How are you? I'm fine. Thanks for asking. I want coffee, bread, eggs. Delicious. Delicious. No bread, no egg. Hello, Rodrigo, bro, from Rag. Windring Mon. Hi, Windring Mon. Thank you for the thumbs up. Your mother, yes, my mom. Hi, Tito, Stephen. Hi, Tito. How are you, Tito? Good morning here. Bread. Bread. Hello, Mother. Hi, Mother. Mother Earth.
Wala na muna inyo.
Ano yun? No, I don't like balut. Good. Um, good yourself, bread, your favorite. Yes. Breakfast. Bread. Shirt. Ito. Tip like. Okay, easy. Thank you, Rodrigo. I don't like balut. Degree. I'm going to have a coffee there. Where? Gender. Your mother is behind you. That way you say hello, mother. Ah, yes. Busy. She's busy. She don't want to help. She don't need to help. She don't help. She don't need my help. Right? Jander Ferreira. Hello. Mama cooks balot. No. No cook balot. No. Hi, Sheryl. Hi, DP. Thanks for the affection. The affection. Jander. Thank you for the thumbs up. Sudo, Brazil. Are you from Brazil, Jander? Busy people behind me. The people behind me is so busy. Oh, ako na kaya nita.
Kaya na pag-ibus mo. Ibaran ko na.
Ah. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful angel. exciting. You told me more. Easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you will stay. Where you going? Get him off the table. Huh? Get him off the table. Get him off. Let's see ball. Ah, the cat. Also ball. Life, life. What a life. I love you, princess. Gender. I think I'm older than you. Thank you for the 7 people here. Thank you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. At sa bawat minuto, gusto ko na sumuko. Binigay ko na Rosie Ellen. What it means, gender. You're cold. I'm cold. Uh, um. Mm, 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 mm. I'm not cold. Up, 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 up. Thank you. Get it down. Ti amo. Ti amo. Ti amo. Bye bye, princess. Thank. Bye bye. Bye, gentleman. Who loves you? Oh, loves me.